Yes, hello guys. You may don't know where we are right now, but you soon be able to know where this place is. This is the shed, my shed. And then you've got some stuff. I'll show you what stuff I got down here. I need to do a good cleanup. But of lack of time, I can't do a cleanup. So I'm just going to show you how messy it looks like and what we got. I got some monitors, as you can see. Some monitors here and a bunch of CRTs from Projection CRT TVs. Some coils for Tesla coils and stuff. A bunch of cable. Got 6 square millimeter. We got, I don't know how many square millimeters that is, but I think it's 80 square millimeters. And some antenna wire as well. And some telephone wire and stuff. And the red cable there is fireproof. Inside there we got the MOT box, MOT plate. And these insulators, isolation transformer, a rheostat potentiometer motor driven, a bigger rheostat potentiometer motor driven, and there must be another one as well, don't know where the third one is. They got a synchron induction motor here. It is a black thingy. And that's a Apple PC, old one. Got a section of a UPS. This one was from a UPS. That's one section. There were 3 sections in it. 3-phase. We got IGBTs and stuff on it. Got these chokes. Got more chokes here. I'm using that for ballasting my Variac. And there must be a heatsink here. There it is. There are the IGBTs on the heatsink, and that's how the heatsink looks like. It's a pretty big heatsink. And that's my 24-volt surgery transformer, and that's a toroidal inside that. And that one is almost empty, I think. Synchronizer to synchronize a generator to the grid. Variac contactor, and this is what you are waiting for. This thing I will show you now. The nice potential transformers. That one, this is a resin block, resin transformer. There's a resin around it. This is the third one. No, second one, and there's the third one. There we got a oil filled transformer. All of them 1 to 100 or 100 to 1 ratio on them. I could get 2 of those transformers. I just took one. Yes, I know that Varek Maniac wants potential transformers. If he lived near me, I would give him the second one. I don't have room for 2 of those. They're extremely heavy, weigh 30-35 kilograms. I don't know how many pounds that will be. 60 pounds, I think. That's a good. I think it's way more than that. There's a door, so I need to be careful when I step in here. If I fall on that, I will potentially hurt myself. But we got more insulators, tubes and stuff. That was full of resistors. The resistors looks a bit of this fused. Resistors. Neighbors came out. Yeah, I think they left. Here we got the boost bars. Boost bars here, boost bars here, all the boost bar here. All copper, of course. Not cheap stuff. What do we got here? More? No, that was the 3 boost bars. I got 1 boost bar in my home apartment. They connect to the negative side of the batteries. There's not so much else here. I'm going to do a tear down on this one time that I got some time to do it. I'm going to use these chokes as a ballast for my variac. Pop that CRT when everything's ready. It's a 12 volt power board on that, so I'm going to crank the voltage up slowly on it with my nice variac and see what will happen to it. But that's for another time. Yes, let's go upstairs and have a look what we got up there for high voltage stuff. That's the shed. Yes, now we're inside. You may haven't been here. No, I don't have any videos of this house on this channel. Not on Tristan's, but I got one or several on Mr. Tesla one. Yes, this is the first time you see this house on Tristan's channel. So as I've seen Mr. Tesla's 1337 channel, I have told what I've done here. So yes, we go directly on the high voltage stuff and see what we got. Yes, you may know some of these boxes. There's a similar one in the shed. Same with that choke. That's a isolation transformer with a huge core. There's another one of those heat sinks, and that's how a IGBT look like. Pretty boring. Don't like those IGBTs. I want screw thermal IGBTs, not that type of IGBTs. And there's actually not so much high voltage stuff up here, sadly. But then we got some insulators. And that's nice insulator. There's a big box of capacitors. It's pretty big capacitors inside that. Main panel 1 and control panel 1. Variac and connection board right there. And we got now one more place to take a look at. It's outside. Yes, look at that. What do we got? Big box of cable. Look at that. There's a bunch of cables in that. You sometimes find electronics in that other bin. There's another blue bin near it. And here we got some stuff outside. I may remember this. That's the UPS controller. Of CRT to blow that up. There's a single phase Perilex. I'll show the 3-phase Perilex as well. Yes, that's a 3-phase Perilex connector. That's how they look like. And a single phase Perilex is like this. This one is rated for 25 amps. You see that? 25 amps. But that's for 16 amps. That's how Perilex connectors look like. Single phase Perilex, 3-phase Perilex. And that's a glove. You call it glove. Don't know why. And here's the big box of flyback transformers. There's a lot of flybacks in here. Mostly desoldered one, but that's some scrappy as well, so I need to desolder. A small little flyback. Yes, lots of flybacks. Look at the nice core on that. Yes, I even got some of these splitters. There's a splitter right here for projection CRTs. Yes, lots of flybacks. If you have seen Mr. Tesla 1337 channel, there was a big MOT box somewhere here. You know the big MOT box with some insulators on the top? But it's gone now. It's not in this apartment anymore. It's in school, and it's connected to a huge resonant transformer, also known as a Tesla coil. And here's the film of that. Watch it carefully.